Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
This video shows how to reset the VW Golf service light safely and quickly. I will cover both older button models and newer instrument cluster menus. Gather materials first: ignition key, trip button access, and clean hands. Also note model year and mileage before you start the reset procedure. If you have diagnostic tools like VCDS, I will explain that method too. Follow step sequences exactly to avoid incorrect maintenance records or warnings. This guide applies to VW Golf MK4 through MK8 with minor variations. Stay with me and perform each step deliberately and patiently now. Start with the vehicle off and your foot off the brake pedal. Press and hold the trip odometer button on the instrument cluster firmly. Turn the ignition to position 2 without starting the engine while holding. Wait until the display shows a service message or countdown numbers appear. Release the trip button briefly, then press and hold it again for 10 seconds. The display will show 0 or reset confirmation and the service light will clear. Turn the ignition off, then start the engine to verify the reset completed successfully. Newer VW Golfs use the instrument cluster menu to reset service intervals directly. Access the car menu using the steering wheel buttons and open service and inspection. Select reset or confirm and follow prompts. Choose full or partial reset if shown. If menu prompts require PIN or dealer tools, use authorized diagnostic software like VCDS. With VCDS, connect to the vehicle, open service channel. Select reset oil and apply. Always record mileage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.